try to play, but
Welcome to the boldest evolution of strength and luxury, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz G-Class. An icon forged in the mountains, perfected in the city, and reimagined for the future, the G-Class remains a symbol of prestige and power reborn with cutting-edge design, next-generation performance, and uncompromising presence. Exterior design. The silhouette is unmistakable, yet every detail has been sharpened for the future. A commanding, squared body stands tall, finished in obsidian black with satin metallic highlights that catch the light like sculpted armor. The front is dominated by a reimagined Panamericana grille, with digital LED headlamps glowing like precision-cut crystals. Side vents, carbon fiber accents, and aerodynamic lines carve modern aggression into its timeless form. At the rear, smoked LED tail lamps stretch wide across a muscular stance, with an exposed spare wheel paying homage to its heritage. Rolling on 23-inch forged alloys with carbon ceramic brakes, the G-Class doesn't just look powerful, it radiates dominance. Performance and powertrain. Beneath its iconic frame lies the beating heart of a revolution, a twin-turbocharged V8 plug-in hybrid producing over 700 horsepower. Mated to a next-gen 9-speed automatic and 4MATIC plus all-wheel drive, it sprints from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.8 seconds, astonishing for its size. Active torque vectoring, adaptive suspension, and electronic locking differentials mean this machine conquers every surface, from urban boulevards to the harshest trails. With selectable drive modes electric, comfort, sport, off-road, and race plus the G-Class adapts instantly to your command, making it as versatile as it is unstoppable. Interior luxury. Open the door, and you step into a sanctuary of modern craftsmanship. Hand-finished Napa leather wraps every surface, accented with precision-stitched diamond quilting. Alcantara roof lining and open-pore walnut or forged carbon fiber trims give bespoke character to every build. Twin 15-inch curved OLED displays stretch across the dash, powered by next-gen MBUX AI that learns your preferences. A 3D Burmester 4D surround sound system immerses you in concert hall clarity, while customizable ambient lighting glows in 64 colors, shifting dynamically with drive modes. With heated,